Hi guys, I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. I came on today to invite you guys to an open challenge. Me and Teresa BDIY, we are hosting Bloom with Creativity on April 23rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are super excited. I cannot wait to see who joins. The link will be available on April 23rd at 10 a.m. You have to keep it private until 11. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you reach out to me, Freckled Mom, or Teresa at Teresa BDIY. You need to mention and link my channel, Freckled Mom, and Teresa BDIY in your description and in your video. You also have to let everyone know that there is a playlist and put that also in your description. Use flowers in your DIY or your craft. Bloom with Creativity with me, Freckled Mom, and Teresa BDIY. This is gonna be a great day and I'm excited to have you guys with us.